So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Mastercard stock on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, go to the top right, press on the magnifying glass. In the top search bar, type in ticker symbol MA. At the top it says Mastercard, press on that. Once Mastercard's opened up, go to the bottom left, press on the orange buy button, and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can adjust the session type you're wanting to buy the stock in, as well as the order type. So if you want to do a limit order or a market order, you can change that. Below that, it shows the price if it's a limit order, but right below that is the quantity. So if you wanted to buy 2 shares, that's the price. If you wanted to buy 10 shares, the price is below, etc. So if all looks good, you want to proceed with the purchase, press on the green buy button, and then follow the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Mastercard stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.